There's another one of these albino, I don't know, whatever they're called. Alright, we're trying to dodge the rain, so let's see how successful we get at this. Look, you see this? Well, hello, what you doing? Oh shoot, I scared him. He was like right here in front of me, probably about 10 feet. Okay, let's see what we got here. I think I just got it. All right. Wow. Don't know what this is off of. Oh, there you go. Whatever it is. On to the next. Wait a minute. False alarm. Yeah. I felt some here. Don't tell me. Yep. I see something weird. What is that? Huh. Almost looks like white glass. Oh, it was. Look at that. Got the lid. Here's the top of the lid. Very nice. Genuine mason. On to the next. Alright. Boy, it's a muddy mess out here today. Right here somewhere. There you go. Alright, it's starting to, rain's starting to pick up. But I want to see what I got here. May have to get back in the car and see if this passes over. think I just saw something. Pipe or something. I think it might have been a hinge. And here comes the rain. I like that, an old hinge. Alright. This is an 82, 84. I don't think it's a coin, but got a nice sound to it. I hope I'm in the right spot. Must be a can, I think. Yeah, that's what I thought. Another mason jar lid. Maybe it's got the, yeah, white glass is broke. Shame. And I just might have done that, actually. Okay, on to the next. Okay, y'all, that's it. Time to go home. A little too wet out here. Probably gonna destroy my camera. It's not waterproof, far from it. And well, appreciate y'all coming along. It was fun. Didn't last, I don't know, an hour and a half maybe. Rain stopped right now, but it's, you know, coming and going, and it's whatever. Time to go. I don't know what to say here, so thanks for watching. Appreciate your all support. Hope you all had a great weekend. My condolences to Barbara. So sad to hear about that. Anyway, I'm out of here. No ending. Later.